So over here you can see that I have a report, and if you want to export out this report in Excel format, then what you can do is you can go around onto the print preview option right here, and here you can see Excel is an option as well. So if you were to go around and click on Excel, you can see that you have an option right here. So you can choose around the file format, whether you want it to be in Excel 95 or 2003 format right here. So I'm just going to go around and select the latest, and then I'm going to click on browse to select out the area where I want to save this file. So you can rename the file if you want to as well, and click on save right here. And if you want to go around and press OK, then what happens is that you have generated out an Excel file. So I'm just going to hit close right here. So here you can see the generated Excel file from the Access database right here. So if I were to go around and double click on this, you can see that it actually opens out the database right here. So all the groups are here, but there you can see that there's a bit of formatting error which you can change out over here in Excel. So I'm just going to go around, color all the text black, and you can see that all of the data is here according to the report that was generated right here. So this is how you can export out the generated report in Microsoft Excel from Microsoft Access database. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.